right, YouTubes? We got the heat wave going. Now my customers are remembering me. We're gonna go head out on a walk-in box that's not cooling. And then I got a little prep table to look at after that. And I'm getting, yeah, the phone's back to working. Little heat wave, and then everybody remembers you. So let's get out there. Yep, she's low. Oh gosh. It was looking pretty good out here. I'm thinking evaporator section. All right, I'm gonna go take the evaporator section apart and take a look. All right, I got the cover off. Wow, it looks terrible in there. Let's get the leak detector. See if we got a weeper. Jeepers weepers. Pretty sure it's the evaporator coil. Ooh, got a hit. I got a hit. Pull it off, take it back in. Yeah, I got a small little hits right there. Over. Yeah, right in there. Let me see if I can get the light. There we go. Get some light on this side. There we go. TXV. TXV's in good shape. All right, leaky coilotitis. Let's get the sad news. Let's find the sticker on the back and see how old this coil is. This is going to be heartbreaking, probably. Let's see, what do we got for a serial number on this one? Maybe I did it a little bit ago. Yep, for sure. So that one's a big old leaker. I think that coil only made it 5 years. That was a 5 years coil. They got a lot of peppers and tomatoes and salsa and stuff. It just eats those coils up. I'm gonna try and find a coated coil for the replacement. Maybe it'll last a little bit longer. I doubt it. But we got another walk-in box. The complaint is the coil's been icing up frequently. Now we are having a little bit of a heat wave for here. I'm not sure what we're gonna find over here. But my brain's already thinking, check the charge. Check the superheat at the TXV. Icing up coil. See if the evaporator's clean, if the fans are working, that kind of thing. But it's an old wooden box at the liquor store. Let's go check it out. Let's go up to the roof and see what the condensing unit's doing on this cooler. Then we'll go inside and take a look. I can hear it running. That's good. Clear sight glass. That's a start. Specially calibrated hands. Getting that super tech going. Alright, let's get a gauge on it. Let's go downstairs, we'll look at the cooler, and then we'll gauge up on this thing. I got an 82-degree ambient. Pressures look pretty damn good. Got a 20-degree evaporator and about 100 degrees condensing. I'm gonna front seat that liquid line valve and see if I can pump this thing down. I already know the thermostat's goofy, and see where we go from here. Front seated. Here we go. And it should start to pump down here. On our low side, here we go. You can hear the compressor start to change sound. And we should go down to our low pressure switch setting. And it should pump down like a champ. All right, and we'll get an amp draw reading on that compressor too. I don't think we have a compressor issue. The complaint is it's frequent ice ups, but I think they're leaving the door to that walk-in open. I think that's the bigger problem. I do want to check my superheat down there. He's telling me at nighttime it's fine. In the the daytime it's having issues. Not bad. All right, we're at 10 point, yeah, we'll call it 10.9 amps, 10.87. Let's plug all this Intel into the Copeland app and see what we're looking like.
The biggest SATA gauge is hanging in his van. He never has to use them calibrated hands. Dispatch sends him on a no heat call. He got to diagnose before he gets to the dome, cause he's a super tech. Yeah, super tech. Yeah, he's a super tech. Gets his jobs done before. Yeah, he's a super tech. Never calls tech support. Yeah, he's a super tech. Gets his jobs done before. He's a super tech. Never calls tech support.
All right, I just checked the superheat on there. It's 14 degrees of superheat, so I'm probably not going to tinker with it too much. It's not too bad. Box is at 42. This thermostat's whacked. So I'm gonna replace all this clutter with the A421 ABD02. You know, the thermostat with defrost, and I'm gonna get rid of all this clutter. Box is pulling down fine. The condensing unit seems good. The evaporator coil's clean, and they were keeping the door open. That door is being left open. I think that's the culprit. That and the thermostat being goofy.